Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing the Her Highness subscription box. This box is one of my favorite subscriptions. I have been subscribing to it for quite some months now. This box is priced at rupees 649. You can get a discount using the code here. So let us go straight to the Her Highness box and see what all we have received. So this is how the Her Highness box has come in. It is beautifully gift wrapped, and as usual it makes you feel very nice when you see a beautiful gift wrapping. So what I'm going to do is quickly open the wrappings and let us go into the products right away. So this is how all the products look in. Let us just start with the first things. The first thing that I can see here is this card which mentions the curator of the month, which is Sahijit. So she is a co-YouTuber, and also mentions the theme of the month, which is Smile, Sparkle, Shine. We have received 8 products this month, including a surprise. And look at the beautiful quote: shine your light and make a positive impact on the world. There is nothing so honorable as helping improve the life of others. So true. The next thing that I have received is this YY City noodle bar card, which mentions all the outlets, and there is a special offer for Her Highness subscribers. You can get one free when you buy one. So yes, I think this is quite a nice offer, especially for the ones who are fans of YY City noodle. So when we are at YY, let me start with the first eatable only. So the eatable is this YY ready to eat noodles, and this is in veg masala flavored instant noodles. You get 3 seasonings with it. One of them is a taste enhancer, the second is a chili powder, and the third is an onion flavored oil. So I quite like this YY noodles. I'm happy to get this in this box. So the first product to come out of this box is this Bio Bloom face pack. It is meant for the dry to normal skin, and it has honey, olive oil and lemon juice. So Bio Bloom again is an organic brand, and all its products are good. I have used many of its products, and this is quite a nice brand. I can trust this brand, and I'm very happy to get this face pack. I have a normal skin and it would be good. So it has an additional cap here. So this is like a cream face mask, and you can directly apply it to your skin. It looks like quite an interesting product, and the smell is quite pleasant. So the key ingredients are mentioned here, as well as the directions are mentioned here. It has got lemon juice, honey, cold press oils of sesame, olive, sweet almond. It has also a naturally derived beeswax, vegetable glycerin, avocado butter, and natural clay of kaolin. All the products seem very nice, and I think this is going to be a good product. I look forward to using this product. The next product that I have received is from the brand Swanning, and it is the face glow serum worth rupees 400. I had received 2 products earlier in one of my other subscription, and honestly I have loved this brand. I have used one of their serums earlier. Honestly, I love that. This is a face glow serum. It comes with this dropper, and this is how it looks. The fragrance of this serum is quite nice, and it contains some very interesting elements in it. It has got fresh floral hydrosols, lavender essential oil, vitamin E, argan oil, and also jojoba oil. So I quite like this serum also. This does look promising, and I look forward to using it. This is priced at rupees 400. The next product that I have received is this activated charcoal detoxifying face and body scrub, and it is from the brand Fuchsia by VCare. I guess this is the surprise product here, and this seems to be quite a nice product again. It has got all the appropriate ingredients such as aloe vera, vegetable glycerin, wheat germ oil, charcoal powder, olive oil and almond peel, and this is priced at rupees 75. The next product that I have received is a lipstick, and it is from the brand Bonjour Paris. It is worth rupees 245. I have used their liquid lipsticks earlier, and I quite like those lipsticks. They were really long stay. So let's see how this lipstick is too. So this is in the shade 59. You do get some options to choose the shade. So let us see how the shade looks. So this is how the lipstick looks. It is a beautiful golden colored lipstick in a beautiful shade with Bonjour Paris written here, and the bullet seems quite nice, and this is the color. Just look at the lipstick, it is so pretty. The color is also very nice. Let me swatch the lipstick for you. This is the shade and it's quite a pretty shade. So the lipstick applies quite well. It is highly pigmented and it's going to be a matte finish, I guess. So quite a nice shade. I love this and I really look forward to using this lipstick. The next thing to come out of this is our Indian flag, and I really like Ankita for the fact that she's such a big patriot. She is unique in putting such touches to her box. She also supports a NGO, and some part of this money from this subscription also goes to that NGO. So yes, Ankita, I love this touch. It's quite a nice touch, especially in the view that the Republic Day is coming. The next thing that I have got is this beautiful tin, and it is worth rupees 199, and it is an embossed tin, and it mentions have a good day. I quite like such tins. It is handy to keep your stuff, and from within I can see my jewelry coming out. So let's see. So this time we have two pieces of jewelry. One is worth rupees 200 and the second is worth rupees 75. So this is the first piece of jewelry. This is worth rupees 200 and it is a beautiful jhumki. It has got Lord Ganesha in the center here and a jhumki. The best part about Her Highness box is the jewelry that Ankita puts into the subscription is absolutely premium. You can never have any doubts on this jewelry, and I trust her blindly on the jewelry part. It's so beautiful. It's such a good quality and I quite liked it. I never had anything like this, and this is a very different type of jhumki. The next piece of jewelry is this beautiful classic teal colored earring. Again, the quality is very good and a beautiful design, beautiful color, very elegant. You can pair this up with your Western Indians, anything that you like. And just look at this stone here. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. It has a graded color in it and it makes it look very beautiful. This is priced at rupees 75. I quite like both the jewelries which are there in this box. The last product to receive is this premium sanitary pack worth rupees 125. Let me open this. So these are the type of sanitary napkins that I have received and I quite like them. So Her Highness box is one of the boxes which not only tends to give you lifestyle, beauty, skincare product, but they also add an intimate hygiene product in each of their boxes, and that is very thoughtful and I quite appreciate this gesture. So guys, these were all the products that I received in my Her Highness box. My honest opinion about this box is that it's quite a good curation. It is worth every rupee that we have paid and much more, and the curation is nice, the touch is good. My favorite products as usual generally are the jewelry, so I love the jewelry in this box. I also like the swan ink serum which is here, which looks very promising, and the lipstick too is good. So I think all the products are useful and it's a nice box. So guys, if you too like this box, go ahead and place your order. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now. See you soon. Love you all. Look forward to hearing from you.